How to put photos in hidden folder. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to put photos in hidden folder. So in order to add or put photos in hidden folder, all you have to do is go to your Photos app. After that, you'll need to go ahead and select the particular photo that you wish to add it to your folder. So select the particular photo. After that, you can see right at the bottom there are multiple tools. Then swipe towards your left hand side, and right in the corner you'll be able to see the option as move to locked folder. Just tap on it and you need to go ahead and set up the locked folder. So go ahead and tap on set up locked folder. After that, you'll need to go ahead and use the pin, and then you've successfully set up a locked folder. Then click the continue button. After that, if you're sure about moving it, then tap the OK button or the move button, and here you go that the particular photos has been moved to your locked folder. So in this way you can put photos in hidden folder. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.